Ready to turn heads with a radiant, dewy makeup look? Begin by thoroughly prepping your skin with a rich, hydrating moisturizer and an illuminating primer to create a smooth, glowing base that lasts all day. Next, select a lightweight, luminous foundation or tinted moisturizer. Apply it gently using a damp makeup sponge for a natural skin-like finish that lets your complexion breathe. Avoid heavy powders. Instead, set your T-zone lightly with a translucent powder, leaving cheeks and high points untouched to maintain maximum glow. Apply a liquid or cream highlighter onto your cheekbones, brow bones, and the bridge of your nose for a subtle, lit-from-within shine. For blush, choose a cream formula in a soft, rosy shade and blend it upwards toward your temples for a fresh, youthful flush. Add dimension with a cream bronzer, focusing on the hairline, cheek hollows, and jawline to sculpt your face naturally. Keep eyes simple with a swipe of shimmer shadow and a coat of mascara to open up your eyes without overpowering the look. Finish with a glossy, hydrating lip balm or tinted gloss to keep lips looking plump and fresh. Finally, mist your face with a dewy setting spray to lock in the look and enhance the radiant finish. Now you're ready to shine confidently all day long.